Whenever we create a primitive object, such as this circle, it's also given an anchor point. And the anchor point is where we locate that object from. So this object here, if I look down at the ball layer and I go down to transform and I look at the position of my object, you notice that as I move this object, that position changes. Now, normally we think of a coordinate plane, an XY grid, and we think of this center of the screen being 0, 0, or the origin. But really, the top left screen here is the origin. And I'll show you how you can find that out for yourself. If you look at the position, and as I move this object up to the top left, you'll notice that as I put it right over that corner there, this gets really, really close to 0, 0. Now I could actually just type that in, 0, 0, and it will move my anchor point directly to there. Now, we probably want the anchor point in the center of the circle, as that usually makes more sense to kind of think of it from being the center of the circle. So I'm going to adjust my anchor point. I'm going to click the sixth tool from the left here, and it will say anchor point tool and also pan behind. Now if I click this tool, it will allow me to move this anchor point to exactly where I want it. And I want it right here in the center. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and click my arrow again, and I can move this around. Now you notice if you try to click it with the arrow, it won't actually work because you need to be using the anchor point tool. Now if I go up to the top left, I can put this up here, and you notice this is once again very close to 0, 0. It's now the center of my circle. Okay, and that's it for anchor point.